Hello everybody. Well, it's been raining all day long. I find this really amazing. I haven't seen it rain like this in a long, long time. I'm actually making this video because of one of my subscribers. He asked me to. He said he sleeps really good when he can hear this. Okay, that's good. It stopped. Bad day, that's for sure. Well, it's been raining most of the day. It's slacked off for a while. Don't know how long it's going to be slack, but hopefully we got the worst of it so far. Trying to cross the street is not easy. Buses, trucks, bicycles. Ambulances. Jeepneys. So now you need a travel pass to go to different places like San Marcelino or Longopo or Barrio Barreto. Good morning. So, with all these restrictions in place, makes it very, very difficult to travel. Oh. Wet pavement, and these guys want to overspeed. I think I can finally cross. My camera's jumping, sorry. Good morning. How are you?
Bye.
No more rain?
No more.
Okay, that's good. See you later. Balik-balik. Well, they say no more rain. Hopefully that's a good thing. We don't need no more rain. The hard part when it rains is there's no sidewalk, okay? There's a shoulder. And when big trucks or a lot of cars pass, I just stop. A tricycle, well, I don't think a trike is going to kill me. It might mess me up. But like I said, when big trucks pass or cars, I just stop. Let them pass. Then I proceed on my journey. Because if you've ever walked in this kind of environment, you know it's very easy to slide. Very, very easy because of the gas and the oil mixed with the water. It's like a skating rink sometimes. So, like this one's gonna pass. He's going pretty fast, so hey, I just stopped. That's just my philosophy, the way I do things. No. Hi, how are you? Finally, the rain stops. Okay. Walter Mart? Yeah. Okay, well, you take care. Oh, it flooded, huh? That's no good. See you later. Yeah, like right here. Very slippery. But you're probably asking yourself, why am I going out? Well, to be honest, I'm going to buy more diapers. In my infinite wisdom, I bought the wrong type of diaper for my son, and my wife told me buy some more. So here I am, walking in the middle of the street. Now I got to get out of the street. Hate to say that guy wasn't even looking at me. He had no clue I was even standing there. And this is Walter Mart. It's a good thing the rain has stopped. When you enter Walter Mart here, they will take your temperature, plus they'll check your quarantine pass. And I do want to thank you very much for viewing. You can please subscribe.